Yeah, yeah, yeah. But when you would get close enough, and you could hear them singing the old hymns, and somebody in the corner would strike out and say, I love the Lord, He heard my cry.
And without further ado, I would like to introduce my man, my brother, Mano, and the God King. Can I get a well? No, can I get a well? Come on.
Now, I'd like to thank you for inviting me down here tonight to touch each and every one of you. Now, I know some of yous need a good fixing and a prayer too.
That's right.
So I'm here to let you know, believe in the power. Now, repeat after me. Believe in the power.
Believe in the power.
Wow.
I said, believe in the power.
Believe in the power.
Now, before I bless you, beautiful people, I would like to send a little collection plate around. Give to God.
Yes. Well.
Yes.
Give it to the God now.
You should give to God.
Unstoppable. No drama, these niggas don't want drama. I put that on my mama. Fuck niggas, I'm calling them fuck niggas. Type of niggas let bitches playing they butt niggas. No reason to love niggas. No reason to love niggas. Now fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. They intrigued, heard that I smack rappers quick. Left hand, right hand, what you smack them with? Why you do it? Was it hard? Are you accurate? See these rappers like girls, I be practicing how to bag them, so I treat them like actresses. Fuck them all as soon as I beat on them. Embarrass them, making them feel like I peed on them. It's Mano, city to city, the G's know them. The Hannah God, yes, what all of the G's call them. Bad bitches dream, they spot me on any boulevard. Still on lanes with the same hand as the Audemars. Real recognize real, so come and fuck with me. Bird niggas know better than not to fuck with me. Don't push me, cause lately I've been on the edge. Test me, I'll fly your motherfucking head. They love me cause I ain't on that rapper shit. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. Smack rappers with. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. Trust me, baby, I ain't on that rapper shit. Real nigga, so I ain't gotta practice it. Smack rappers with. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers. Fans shout about me, bloggers write about me. Call me a goon rapper, yes they was right about me. I'm from where we played tag with the sharpest blades, or in the park playing softball with hand grenades. One bullet, spin the barrel, clearing all the doubt. Point them out, I smack a tooth out his fucking mouth. No drama, these niggas don't want drama. They comedy, they cute, I'm laughing, they not riders. They clowning, I'm lounging, feel like a boss on them. No respect, standing in my boxes, I balls on them. My new bitch built like a stallion, I'm Porsche on them. Light work, I let my dogs put paws on them. Rappers fear me, they won't stand near me. Niggas fools, split them open, dear me. Piss me off, you gon' have to call a Lord first. I heal niggas when I touch them, call it God's work. They love me cause I ain't on that rapper shit. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. Smack rappers with. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. Trust me, baby, I ain't on that rapper shit. Real nigga, so I ain't gotta practice it. Smack rappers with. Fans wanna touch the same hand I smack rappers with. Damn, nigga! Shit! You have to hit me like that?
I said amen.
Uh-huh. Amen. Yeah.